SQL string functions operate on strings, and a string is a set of characters. It can be as few as one character, or as many characters that will fit in the given space. In standard SQL, a string literal, that is a string that you type or that appears in an expression, is enclosed in single quotes, like this. Here's the string literal, and as you can see, it's enclosed in single quote marks. Now, if you want to include a single quote in the string literal, you type it as two single quotes next to each other, like this. So here we see in the resulting string there's a single quote mark being used as an apostrophe in this part of the string here, Alfonso's. And up here in the string where we typed it, that appears as two single quote marks next to each other. And that's how that works. String handling tends to be platform specific in SQL. A simple thing like putting two strings together can be very different on different platforms. As an example, let's look at how you concatenate two strings on two popular platforms, MySQL and Microsoft SQL Server. Here we use the concat function, which is a string function, to concatenate two strings, to put them together. So our result will say hello, world, like this. This example works in MySQL, which is the database server being used by our SID application. In Microsoft SQL Server, that doesn't work at all, and concatenating two strings is done entirely differently. So here in Microsoft SQL Server, we can see that we can concatenate two strings by using the plus operator. We have one literal string here, which is hello with the comma and the space, and another literal string here, which is world, enclosed in single quotes. And our result has hello, space world, because we've put these two strings together. We've concatenated them with the plus operator. So that's how you do it in Microsoft SQL Server, which is very different than how you do it in MySQL. In the next few lessons, we'll look at some of the more common string functions and how they work. There are many platform-specific string functions available in each SQL environment, and it's beyond the scope of this course to show all of them here. Be sure to check with the documentation to find out what's available for your particular environment.